The hunting knife is an ancient tool that has survived essentially unchanged to the present day. A hunting knife is a very versatile tool to have with you when you're hunting or in the outdoors. Hunting knives can be used for many different tasks, but they are most useful to skin, gut, and process animals. Also, hunting knives are designed to be as safe as they possibly can. A hunting knife is an essential tool if you like hunting or being outdoors. A hunting knife can improve your hunting and camping experience as they are versatile enough to satisfy all of your needs while out in the wilderness. Another very common and practical way that hunting knife can be used is for skinning an animal. They're just awesome because they're light, compact, and can get done basically any of the tasks that you might run into on an everyday basis. However, a hunting knife is for hunting, skinning, and survival purposes, so if you're looking for a suitable knife, check out our list of the top 5 hunting knives.
Hello there, we are the Top Zone. We're a bunch of researcher and tester. We test, analyze, research new product, and create a list of top 5 best products based on price, quality, features, and user feedback. We also provide upcoming and innovative products ideas so the viewer may know about the products. Our goal is to create the proper shopping guide so the viewer can make their proper decision.
The 656 Pursuit Pro is a great design from the industry stalwart Buck Knives. It features premium S35VN steel for awesome edge retention and durability. A key feature that you'll like about this knife is the high visibility orange handle. Because hunts don't always end in daylight hours, being able to easily see and manage your knife after dark is a superb safety feature. Its blade is full-bellied with a strong, thick point for heavier tasks. It can also be used as a general work knife. This drop point blade is strong and very versatile. This knife has a blade length of 4.5 inches and a blade thickness of about 0.14 inches. This Pursuit Pro 656 has an overall length of 9.5 inches and weighs approximately 6.4 ounces. Surprisingly, this new Pro Pursuit has received a Paul Boss heat treatment. And the Paul Boss is the best in the business and provides a blade with fantastic strength, corrosion resistance, and overall durability. In addition, this hunting knife has a nylon handle with a grippy VersaFlex rubber overmold. So modern plastics with rubberous areas deliver a good grip in almost all conditions. Moreover, this knife is accompanied by a lightweight, high-quality nylon heavy-duty sheath with a belt loop attachment. Overall, the Buck Knife 656 Pursuit Pro hunting knife is an excellent knife that meets the need for a mid-range hunting knife. Also, this knife will be suitable for both beginners and more experienced, serious hunters. If you're looking for an ultra-tough, modern clip-point hunting knife, then the SOG Seal Strike tactical and hunting knife will be the best bet for you. This knife takes its design inspiration from the knives used by the Navy SEALs. This Bowie-style knife has a 4.9-inch straight or partially serrated stainless steel blade that has been half-treated for extra strength, and the black titanium nitride coating protects against corrosion. Its partially serrated edge allows for fast cuts, and the sharp clip-point tip can pierce tough material. It is a full-tang blade, meaning the metal runs down into the handle. Its blade is made from AUS-8 stainless steel. The blade itself is 4.9 inches long with a 9.6-inch overall length, but the whole thing weighs in at under 6 ounces. Whatever type of outdoor scenario you need to work in, the knife has a full tang, a well-balanced design, and the ergonomic high-impact glass-reinforced nylon handle has stainless steel banding, which makes it very strong, lightweight, and comfortable to use. The knife also comes with a Deluxe black hard-molded nylon sheath that adds a built-in cord cutter and a ferrochromium fire starter and sharpener. You can either keep this knife in the sheath or can use the lanyard hole and attach the knife to your backpack. However, the SOG Seal Strike for all intents and purposes will probably be one of your favorite all-around hunting knives. KOBABAR has been a popular name in the history of knives, and the KOBABAR Becker Campanion BK2 wins the all-around award. This knife is designed for all of those who camp, hunt, and spend time afield. It is a medium-sized fixed blade draw-point knife. Also, it has a flat grind with a secondary bevel at the 20-degree angle, which makes it suitable for skinning game and many other camp chores. Its blade is made from 1095 Crovan steel. This carbon steel knife is extra stout when applied to everyday camping and hunting activities. In terms of technical details, this knife has an overall length of 10.5 inches with a blade length of 5.25 inches. The blade is 0.25 inches thick and the tang extends up to the end of the handle. Plus, the handle is made from a custom plastic called Ultramid. Therefore, its handle is made of Grivory materials which deliver the knife with a smooth and contoured grip that feels pretty in the hand. Additionally, the sheath is made of fiberglass reinforced nylon that is closely molded to the shape of the blade. The sheath is a hard plastic, is MOLLE compatible and attaches to the belt by a nylon loop. All in all, it provides a versatile design, so if you're looking for a knife from which you can kill living hell and easily sharpen it, this knife is for you. Kershaw's Campfire fixed blade is a thick, Bowie-style knife with a versatile blade that is perfect for everything from camping and backpacking to survival and hunting. Its full-tang fixed blade is ideal for outdoor adventure. The blade is made from premium D2 steel. Its D2 blade steel is an excellent choice for hard-to-use knife like survival, camping, and hunting. This high-carbon, high-chromium tool steel provides good edge retention and hardness while being more corrosion-resistant than other high-carbon steels. This knife measures 9.125 inches. This knife has a blade length of 4.75 inches and weighs 5.7 ounces. And stays lightweight at 7.5 ounces when sheathed. This knife's handle is glass-filled nylon with a solid grip, so it stays put in your hand no matter the task. Furthermore, the included sheath is a custom molded for an ideal fit that keeps the knife in place even when worn upside down. Also, the molded sheath features a dual retention system for secure carrying, such as an easy tab release and a water drainage hole in the sheath bottom. So, as you can see, the Kershaw Camp 5 can be used for a number of functionalities. It is inexpensive and extremely well made. This knife is a solid everyday survival knife that is very versatile and it can be used in a lot of outdoor tasks. Another great hunting knife from Buck Knives is the 113 Ranger Skinner. This 113 Ranger Skinner is a highly recommended knife for skinning game, and if you are into hunting birds or rabbits, the 113 Skinner is the knife that Buck designed for you. They cleverly made the grind in this knife so high, it disappeared into the spine before getting to the tip. The result is a sturdy blade with a thin blade all along the edge, so you can work on small games a lot easier. In terms of technical details, this knife has an overall length of 7.25 inches and weighs 5.2 ounces. The blade is 0.25 inches thick. Its 3 1/8 inches drop point Skinner blade is made from 420 HC steel, which is a standard material used by Buck Knives for its knives. This material makes the blade corrosion resistant and gives it great edge retention as well as durability. Not only that, the American walnut handle and brass bolster will ensure that it will fit ideally in your hand. Moreover, add to that genuine leather sheath with integrated belt loop and you can carry it with you while hunting. Finally, this knife is a wonderful knife. Also, this 113 Range Skinner's compact build and versatile blade makes it more functional than other skinning knives available in the market today.
Thanks for watching this video. Like, comment and share with your friends if you have found this video helpful. Subscribe our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.